No one wants to be just average. So why settle for average power from your Can-Am side-by-side? Bump those numbers up with the Delta Boost Performance Tuner from XDR. The Delta Boost simply plugs into your vehicle's boost pressure sensor for a quick and discreet install or uninstall if necessary. You can use your phone to choose between 4 boost levels provided by the tuner. You'll even be able to monitor boost pressures in real time. It takes less than a half hour to install the tuner and can be done by anyone with basic mechanical skills. And well, I guess I fit that criteria, so let's get started. Before attempting to install your Delta Boost tuner, please take a moment to read and understand the instructions. Complete instructions can be found at the bottom of the product page on our website at holley.com. And the only tools you need to do the install are a pair of side cutters. To install our Delta Boost tuner, simply identify the male and female connectors coming from the tuner and connect them to the corresponding connectors that are found between the sensor and the factory harness. In order to provide you a better view, I went ahead and removed the clutch inlet duct. Once you've located the boost sensor, go ahead and unplug it by squeezing the locking tab and pulling the plug straight off the sensor. Connect the male plug from the Delta Boost tuner to the sensor on the machine. Then connect the female plug from the tuner to the male plug on the factory wiring harness. Insert the included cable tie through the mounting lug found on the back of the module housing. Secure the module in a safe location that's away from high heat and protected from moving parts and flying debris to help prevent potential damage. The unit is sealed and the connections are watertight, but if you plan to do a lot of water crossing, we recommend that you mount your Delta Boost in a location that's high on the vehicle to avoid any excessive water exposure. I can now reattach the clutch housing duct that I had removed earlier in order to give you a better view. Secure any loose wires with an extra zip tie. The Delta Boost Performance Tuner ships to you already in sport mode, so it automatically gives you an extra 3 pounds of boost over stock, and there's no need to use the optional Delta Boost app. But if you'd like to have even more control over your vehicle, you can download the Delta Boost app. Simply go to Google Play or the App Store, depending on whether you have an Android or iPhone, and download the app directly to your phone. The apps provide access to 4 different levels of boost. The lowest level is Valet, which actually decreases the boost by 4 psi for use with inexperienced drivers. The standard mode retains the stock vehicle performance. Sport mode adds an additional 3 psi boost over the stock settings. And max mode adds an additional 4 psi over the factory settings. And Flowmaster recommends that you use at least 91 octane fuel in the max mode. Choose from one of the 4 settings for a boost level that fits your driving style the best. That's it. All that's left to do now is go out and enjoy that extra boost provided by our Delta Boost tuner. If you'd like to learn more about all the off-road products that XDR has to offer, visit us at Holley.com.